Barry Ayres, Pro-powerflushing, telephone number 07836 353 985. We're doing a power flush today in uttoxeter system, open vented system. Some of the radiators just not heating up, clogged up, or they were clogged up, they're not now, with sludge, corrosion, etc. But you're going to zoom in on that magnet. This is what's coming out of this central heating system, or has come out, and it still is. Rust, corrosion, metal running through this central heating system, clogging the boiler up, the pump, it's had a new pump on, the radiators, the pipe work, etc. Okay, so this is what we do. My name's Barry Ayres of Pro-powerflushing. We're based in Bramwell, Stockport, Manchester, and we cover a 60 to 70 mile radius of our hometown, hence us being in uttoxeter today. We power flush systems to central heating systems to BS 7593 standard, all okay with your service provider. You know, we're talking about whether it be British Gas, Home Surveyon, Scottish Power, Corgi, etc. All okay with your service provider, and the boiler manufacturers, Valent, Baxi, Weissman, Worcester, etc. Okay, power flushing is the best thing you can do to your central heating system, as long as it's done properly, which we do. We've actually pulled the pipes upstairs in this property. We've got the machine set up outside, obviously. Well, we say obviously, and we know a lot of companies take the machine in-house, but we don't do that. We've taken the pump off, we're hooked in through there, we've capped the feed and vent off, etc. We do it 100% properly. We want the best flow around the system, we want the best chemicals, and we want the best equipment on the job. We've recently purchased this brand new CF210 Titan power flush pump. We've got the magnet hooked up there, combi mag thing going on. We've got the FX2 chemical, and we're going to put a Fernox F1 inhibitor in there later on as well. So it's done 100% properly. You will not get a better power flush anywhere in the UK. Alright? Power flushing, massively important. We're doing one tomorrow, in fact. Now this customer's had a new boiler tomorrow we're talking about. They've had a new combi boiler fitted. They've got hot water and they've got no central heating. In other words, their pipe work away from the boiler is blocked, okay? So they're no better off at all now they've got this new boiler. So we're going to go and power flush that tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get it sorted out. You know, sometimes there's plastic pipes, which they do beat us a lot of the time, the plastic. Sometimes we have to repipe the plastic pipes, or that's obviously an extra job. But basically, yeah, power flushing is the best thing you can do to your central heating system. Do not get a new boiler fitted without getting the system power flushed, okay? And by the same score, this customer tomorrow, I imagine, probably didn't even need a new boiler, yeah? He probably just needed a damn good power flush to get all that rust and corrosion and metal out of the central heating system, to revive the central heating system. This is what it does. You know how much gas is now. We're in April 2022 now. The gas prices have doubled, more than doubled I think, or they're going to anyway. Massively important to get your system power flushed. In the long run, you're going to have fewer breakdowns, less expenditure on your boiler. You're going to be able to turn your boiler down, use less gas, etc. Okay, we go to systems that are cycling on and off, and the system's turned up full bore at the boiler, and they burning loads of gas, and burning loads of gas. You know, boiler turning on and off, not getting any flow around the system, and just burning gas for nothing. The system's not heating up, etc. But once we power flush it, we clear all the debris out, which you can see on the magnet there. I mean, you imagine that going through your boiler, especially the newer boilers now with the plate heat exchangers, with the battery valves, flow switches, even the main heat exchangers, they're not very big waterways in them. You imagine that getting into your boiler, which it does, and blocking it up. And you know, you're going to have to spend a lot of money on parts for that boiler to fix it. And by the same token, if you're getting a new boiler fitted and the engineers, they don't power flush it properly, you know, your warranty is going to be invalidated, you know. If the engineers turn up and they see a load of rust and corrosion in the system and the boiler's broken down, they're just going to say it wasn't power flushed properly to BS 7593 standard. So that's what we do. Power flushing to BS 759V standard. We're here most of the day doing the job. We're not in a rush. We're here to get results for our customers, you know, see our reviews, etc. And this is what we do day in, day out. We are gas registered, like I said, very important. Make sure your engineer's gas registered. We sometimes have to get into the boilers and things, and if your power flush company is not gas registered, not legally allowed to do that. So all we're saying is, all done 100% properly, fully certificated, on completion of the work, the right price, a lot of time spent on the power flushing system. If you need it doing, give me a call. My name's Barry Ayres, telephone 07836 353 985, or contact us through our website pro-powerflushing.co.uk. Alright, we're going to sign off now, got a lot to do, and we hope to hear from you soon. Alright, thanks.